Here are the best camera settings for landscape photography. So firstly, make sure your camera is set to the manual mode and then set your autofocus mode to the single shot option. This autofocus mode will make sure your camera locks your focus and won't change it. Next, for landscape photos, you want to have a higher aperture to ensure you're getting as much of the scene in focus. So I like to set my aperture to a minimum of f5.6 to f8. And then finally, set the drive mode to the low burst option because this will allow you to take single photos, but if some birds fly through your scene, you will still be able to capture them. Now, if you found these tips useful and want to learn more stuff like this, I'm currently running a free photography training where I'll be revealing the simple 3-step process that complete beginners are using to capture professional looking photos in just 21 days. And everything inside of this free training requires no expensive camera gear or prior experience, so if you're interested, click the link below and I'll see you there.